Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World with MJ. This is Murari. So this is the part 5 of our Git learning session. Previously I have created a 4 part. So if you haven't checked out that previous part, then please go and check out for better understanding. So this is the session will cover how you can create a project in Visual Studio Code and how you can create a repository in GitHub and push whatever code you have in the local system. So first of all, here you will go and create a project folder in any of your locations as you want. So I will go and create a demo project folders, demo project. Okay, so this folder is created. Now I will go and select these particular folders. Okay, here I will go and add one of the web project, empty web template of the .NET. So I will go and add .NET new web. So this is just a command to add an empty project with our created folders. Okay, so here you can see the project is created. Now one thing to consider is, if you will go in the file, here you will see these file or folders are available inside the demo project, but there is no .git file is available right now. So I will go for further steps to push whatever code we have into the Git repository. Okay, so here I will click on sorry, source control, and once you will click on source control, here you will have the option called Initialize Git repository. So once you will click on this, so now you can see here there you have a folder called .git, okay, which is created after once you have clicked on initiate. So here you will put some message like my first commit. Okay, so you will click on this commit. Okay, here you have some message, so you will click on yes. So this all file and folders is committed locally right now. So the further step will be, we will go and click on this tick icon, so it will commit whatever changes we have. So already the changes is committed, that's why there is no any changes. Now our step will be go and click on push. But when you will click on push, it will provide show an error because we haven't configured with the remote repository. So here you can see your repository has not configured yet. Okay, so for that you will go here and create, or you already have a repository. So here I will go and search one of my Git account. So I already have created and logged in, that's why I will directly on my account. So in your case it might be possible that you will provide your login ID and password to login. So here I will go and create a project. So the project you can put any name like so I will put the same name as I have created, demo project. Okay, so I will do nothing, I will just go and click on create repository. Okay, here I will have this particular links, that links I need to add in the VSCode editor here. So here you will click on add remote. So here you have an option, you will just go and put whatever URL, Git repository URL you have. You will just select this particular URL now. So you will just select it. Okay, just go here and do push again, and we'll go and add this particular URL. So now this URL is available here. I will put the remote name. So remote name I will put here origin. Okay, so this is the by default name origin. Now I will click on enter. So everything looks okay. Here is some message, so it we will click on ask me later. This is nothing else. So now I will go and push again. Our all configuration related to Git repository is done. Now I will click on push. Here you will have a message, just a message like because to keep in your mind, if you will initialize the repository, so by default it will call a master. So this message means that this branch name will be the master. So are you okay with that? So in my case I am okay. I will click on OK. So the process is going on. I mean, pushing process is going on. Once it will finish, yes, it looks finished. So I will go and check my repository. So repository is available or not. So here you can see the all files are available. Okay. So if you will go here and do something, I mean, do change anything in any file, for example, so here I will go and give a space just for understanding. So here you can see there I have one changes. So I have to create it that particular changes. Here you will have option to click on this plus icon to directly stash the all files. Otherwise you can click here as well or commit as well. So here I will write new changes, new changes. Okay, here I will click on commit. Then again it will ask me the same message, so I will click on yes. So our code is committed locally yet, because here you will see there is no any changes is available right now. This was my first comment. So when I will go and push again whatever committed code we have in the local repository, so here I will click on this three dot, will click on push. So now the pushing is in progress. So once this process will be finished, then you will, yes, this process is finished. Then again, you will go and refresh this particular project. So here you will have the another option called, another commit called new changes. So that's all related to how you can create a repository and push whatever code you have in the local repository with the help of Visual Studio Code. So that's all for the today's session. If you feel this video looks helpful to you, then please subscribe our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for the future updates, and please like and share with your dev community so anyone can take help from this video and learn if required. Thank you.